Hello, my friend. How y'all doing today? This is the Outstanding Balloon Man. Yes, he is the Outstanding Balloon Man. As you see, I got my hair cut. Like I said, I was going to get it cut. But today, I'm going to do two things. Number one, I'm going to act like Chicken Man. Alright? I'm going to act like Chicken Man. Okay? Chicken Man, alright? And the second thing I'm going to do is jumping over candlesticks. Yeah. Now, we don't know about the candlestick, but I'm still going to jump it. Okay. So here it goes, the first one. This is called Being a Chicken. Okay, that's being a chicken. Chicken. Now, we are going to jump over this candlestick. Yes, the Outstanding Balloon Man is going to jump over this candlestick. Yes, you nimble, yes, you quick. Yeah. Yes, you did, yes, you quick. Just jumped over the candlestick. Look. Come on, baby, good evening. The Outstanding Balloon and chicken that jumped over the candlestick, got the nimble, fast and quick. Watch out, don't get hit by the candlestick.